Those who have not copied down the questions which I have given for the bridge course, raise your hands. Sir, I have not copied down the question.
Sir, I not wrote ninth one question, sir, and answer also. Ninth one.
Yes. So, Bhumika, you read the 9th one question, Puta. Bhumika, are you there?
Yes, sir. Name the lines which drawn on the globe.
Name the lines which are drawn on the globe. Yes, what is the answer?
Latitude and longitude.
Name the lines which are drawn on the globe, latitude and longitude. Mohit, Journey Jones, why you are raising your hands? I don't know.
Sir, student. Sir, longitude and
Latitude. Latitude.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. Vignesh Kumar, you are new man. No. You are coming from day one, I think. Vignesh Kumar Das.
No, ma'am. I coming in first day only.
Okay. Okay, before going to start the class, we will do the prayer. All of you unmute your audio. Repeat after me. All of you stand up, join your hands. Gnananandamayam
Jnananandamayam
Devam
Devam
Nirmala
Nirmala
Spatika Krutim
Kritim
Adaram
Adaram
Sarva Vidyanam
Sarvavidyanam
Ayagriva
Ayagriva
Upasmaye.
Upasmaye.
Very good. Children, very good morning to all. Jai Hind. Sit down. Mute your audio. Okay, which is the last question you have wrote? Jivita? Last question in last class, which is the last question you have wrote?
where did Mahatma Gandhi born?
Born at
Okay.
Porbandar.
Yes. I got it. Okay. So after discussing about the freedom fighters, today we are going to discuss about our state. Which is our state?
Karnataka.
Karnataka.
Copy down the question. Which is our state? Copy down our question. Or to which state we belongs to? To which state we belongs to? To which state we belongs to? To which, you have to copy down the question. To which state we belongs to? To which state we belongs to? Answer, we belongs to Karnataka. To which state we belongs to? We belongs to Karnataka. Karnataka.
Can you tell the spelling, sir?
Karnataka. Karnataka.
Sir, you can tell first question, sir.
Belongs to spelling.
To which state? To which state we belongs to? Why you people are so late? I don't know. Especially
Sir,
one boy,
the
Vignesh.
network
Why you are
problem,
too
sir.
late, man, Vignesh?
Ma'am, the network problem.
But you are talking clearly. Your voice is very clear, Vignesh. Okay, one more time. One more time. To which state we belongs to? To which state we belongs to? To which state we belongs to? We belongs to Karnataka. We belongs to Karnataka. To which state we belongs to? We belongs to Karnataka. Okay, to which state we belongs to? We belongs to Karnataka. Karnataka spelling on the screen. Anybody having doubt?
No, sir.
Copy down the spelling.
Sir, what is
Did you copy down the spelling, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, this is our Karnataka map. You can see our Karnataka map. Okay. Now, which is the capital of Karnataka, children?
Sir, Bangalore.
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 Okay, very good. You write the question. Dash is the capital of Karnataka. Dash is the capital of Karnataka. Dash is the capital of Karnataka.
Karnataka.
Dash is the capital of Karnataka. Bangalore or Bengaluru, B-E-N-G, or Bangalore, B-A-N-G-A-L-O-R-E. Can I move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in Bangalore, there are so many places to see, children. One of the tourist spot is Bengaluru Palace.
Yes,
I think
sir.
you have seen in some pictures also.
Yes, sir.
This palace was built by Wadiyar King in which year, Gotta? In 1887. Wadiyar dynasty constructed this palace. This palace name is called as the Bengaluru Palace. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Very beautiful architecture. And we have very good windows also. And we have they have kept very big stones. They have kept very big stones. It is in Bangalore. Wadiyar dynasty, Wadiyar king. This palace was constructed by Wadiyar dynasty or Wadiyar king.
So you visited, sir?
Yes? Yes?
Sir, you visited, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. I have gone. You have not gone. It is in Bengaluru itself.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Oh
No,
my
sir.
God. Oh my God. It is a beautiful palace. Palace ground, many functions. Everyone, minister, daughter marriage will be conducted in this palace itself nowadays. Nowadays means not before COVID-19. Some minister daughter marriage means yes, this one has been booked. Entire ground, entire palace has been booked for the minister daughter marriages. Film actor marriages, yes, they will book for this one only. Bangalore Palace. Huh. From this slide, I can ask in which year Bangalore Palace constructed? In which year? In which year?
1887.
Yes. Copy down the question. In which year Bangalore 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 Palace constructed? CONSTRACTED. In which year Bangalore Palace constructed? CONSTRACTED. In which year Bangalore Palace constructed? Answer: Bangalore Palace constructed in the year 1887.
Sir, answer again, sir.
1887. Next, identify this picture.
Sir, Mysore Palace.
Mysore Palace.
Karnataka is famous for Mysuru Palace. Yes, Mysuru Palace, very famous.
I also visited for Mysore Palace.
Oh, is it? Very good, very good. Very good. Where we can see this palace?
Sir, in Mysore.
Sir, in Mysore.
Sir,
Yes.
in Mysore.
Okay. You know, children, this palace is also called as a Maharaja Palace. Yes. Have you seen the Tipu Palace?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Tipu Palace is at Srirangapatna. While going from Bengaluru to Mysore.
I saw it.
Well, while going to Bengaluru to Mysuru, between Bengaluru to Mysuru, you can find we can have that place called Srirangapatna, where you can see the Tipu Palace. So, where is the Tipu Palace? Question: where is the Tipu Palace? Where is the Tipu Palace? Where is the Tipu Palace?
Srirangapatna.
Yes, you can copy down the question. Where is the Tipu Palace?
answer.
Tipu Palace is at Srirangapatna. Tipu Palace is at Srirangapatna. Tipu Palace is at Srirangapatna.
Sir, we should Srirangapatna Fort or that's all, sir.
Yes?
Sir, Srirangapatna Fort, it's there, no, sir. That also we should write.
Srirangapatna Fort, yeah. No, just you have to write Srirangapatna, that's all, Putta. Where is Tipu Sultan Palace? Tipu Sultan Palace is at Srirangapatna. That's all. Identify the picture.
Gomteshwara.
Gommateswara.
Yes.
Shravana-Belagova.
Yes. This is a Jain pilgrimage center. This is a Jain pilgrimage center. So this is a Jain pilgrimage center. We can find it at Shravana-Belagola. So where is the Gomateshwara statue? Next question. Where is the Gomateshwara statue? Where is the Gomateshwara statue?
Belagola.
Yes. Jain pilgrimage, they will go and they will visit in this place. Shravana-Belagola. Where is Gomateshwara statue? In Karnataka. Full question. Where is Gomateshwara statue in Karnataka? Gomateshwara statue in Karnataka is at Gomateshwara statue is at Shravana-Belagola in Karnataka. Gomateshwara statue is at Shravana-Belagola in Karnataka. These are all some of the important tourist spot.
Sir, question tell me, sir.
Question, sir.
Yes. Where is the statue of Gomateshwara? Where is the statue of Gomateshwara in Karnataka? 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 The statue of Gomateshwara is at Shravana-Belagola. The statue of Gomateshwara is at Shravana-Belagola. I hope all of you have copied on the question as well as answer. Anybody having doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. Where this statue is at?
Hampi.
Narasimha.
Hampi. This one. Yes, Hampi. Yes. So Ugra Narasimha statue is at dash. Ugra Narasimha statue is at dash. Ugra Narasimha spelling is on the slide. Ugra Narasimha statue.
Sir, question.
Question itself I am saying. Ugra Narasimha statue is at dash. 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 What is the answer?
Hampi.
Hampi.
Yes. Ugra Narasimha statue is at Hampi.
Sir, you can tell again.
Ugra Narasimha statue is at dash. Ugra Narasimha statue is at dash. In the dash, the answer should be Hampi. Ugra Narasimha statue is at dash. The answer is Hampi. Anybody having doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, this is some of the rich architecture we can find in Karnataka, where people are staying. People are staying individual bungalow, individual flat, high profile. In Karnataka, we have rich people also. In Karnataka, we have poor people. Okay, no need to write any question until I say, okay, just I am explaining this. Okay, a rich architecture. Our Karnataka having very rich architecture, a mixture of all types of people. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಚ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪೂರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ people with a high profile in Karnataka generally own what we called as a mansion or high profile flats. They are having very good high profile flats. One who are very rich, they are having like this house in Karnataka. Just you see, that's all. Okay, that means what I'm trying to say, Karnataka having both type of people, rich people, middle class people, as well as poor people. Rich people are having their own high mansion. Mansion means bungalow. This is how the types of bungalow we have in Karnataka, especially rich people have in Karnataka.
Sir, all are bungalows, sir.
Yes, this is flat. This is bungalow. Yes, all are bungalow. Single flat, single bungalow.
Sir,
This is bungalow itself. All are bungalow. Yes, no flat. All are bungalow. See, individual bungalow. One single house. Medium profile. Yeah, no, I am not saying any question. Don't write any question, just for your general knowledge sake. See, medium profile, middle class people, they will stay in flat like this house,
Yes, sir.
2 BHK, 2 BHK, 2-bedroom house. Someone is disturbing, please mute yourself. Yes, very good, children. You are giving a respect for the teacher's words. Very good. So this is high profile, that is rich people in Karnataka, middle class people where they will stay in flat or say individual houses. No need to write any question, just for the general knowledge sake. Question is for this is itself last. Okay, I have not said any question for this. I am not saying any question for this also. Just for your general knowledge sake, I am explaining that. Middle class people where they will stay. Even you can see the slums, low profile architecture. See, poor people also are there in Karnataka where they will live in slums. In Karnataka, we have slums also. High profile, medium, low. Rich people, middle class people, poor people. Low profile architecture. In Karnataka, we can find 3 categories of people. One is called as a rich people, where they will stay bungalows, inside the bungalows. Medium profile, where they will stay in flat, individual house, 2 BHK. Middle class people. And low profile architecture, very poor people where they will live in slums. Someone is disturbing the class, please mute yourself. Yes, very good. Anybody having doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Do you know yesterday some boy is doing mischief in my class. I removed from him in the class, and he could not able to log in. Again, he went to the HM madam and he is get scolding from the HM madam. Then later on, parents went to the HM madam. They have requested, once teacher removed you from the class, you can't able to log in. The app will lock immediately. If I remove any boy or any girl from the class, you can't able to log in once again. You have to go to the school along with the parents. The app have been upgraded. In last year, you supposed to enter, even though if you are doing mischief, teachers, if teachers give warning also, you are not listening. If teacher remove from the class also, you are entering like that only, no. But this year, once the teacher remove you from the class, if you are disturbing the class, even though you are not listening to the teacher, if teacher remove you from the class, you have to take the phone, you have to take your parents and go to the madam. There in front of the madam, you have to discuss why you have been thrown out from the class, why you have been gone outside from the class, which teacher has been removed, what is the reason. All these things you have to give the reasons. Yesterday happened like that only. Some boy is doing mischief, 2 boys I removed. They called me and asked me, please allow us, sir, to enter the class. I said, it is not in my hand. You have to take your parents along with the phone to the HM ma'am and discuss with the madam. If the madam give permission, then only you can make it out. That is why before doing the mischief, before doing the nonsense in the class, think 2 to 3 times. Once teacher remove, you can't log in. Okay, I think you have understood the profile, the three type of people living in Karnataka: rich people, middle class people, and poor people. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What are the food we can get in Karnataka? This is general. No need to write questions.
Sir, chapati,
Sir, chapati,
dosa,
dosa, idli,
puliyogre, baat,
Vada,
Especially,
vada,
Palav.
palav, masala
especially in Karnataka, we have a beetle leaf, bale ele uta.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
traditional. Sir, ragi ball.
Yes. It is a traditional. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹಬ್ಬ ಬಂತು ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಬಾಳೆ ಎಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂಥರ ಮಜಾ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ತಟ್ಟೆಗಿಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ದಿನ
sir.
ತಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಂದು ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಬ್ಬ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯುಗಾದಿ ಹಬ್ಬ, ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಹಬ್ಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಳೆ ಎಲೆ ತಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾಳೆ ಎಲೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಪ್ಪಳ, ಅನ್ನ ಸಾರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್.
Sir.
No need to write any question, just for your general knowledge. As you told, this is the breakfast we will get in Karnataka.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope all of you had breakfast. If you not had the breakfast, you can take from here.
Sir.
Sir, all is very tasty.
Yes, that is why I am giving for you all. Please have it. Please have one.
No, sir. We can't take.
Yes, sir, it can't eat.
So apart from idli vada, what are the breakfast we can get?
Sir, dosa. Sir,
Sir,
puliyogre.
Puliyogre, baat, ghee rice.
Sir,
Okay,
palav.
in
Sir,
dosa,
ragi ball.
in dosa you have a different variety of dosa.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Masala dosa.
Neer dosa,
Masala
ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ
dosa.
ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆ.
Eerudu dosa.
Okay, manege
Sir,
ammaniಗೆ
I ate triangle dosa.
Is it?
Yes, sir. Sir, set dosa.
Round set dosa.
Okay. What about the puri palya?
Sir, aloo puri.
Sir.
Puri
Aloo
sagu,
puri.
sir. Puri sagu.
Sir, puri sagu.
Puri
Sir,
sagu.
upma.
ಪೂರಿ ಸರ್.
Upma.
Sir, kurma.
Upma, sir, upit.
Uppit and kesari bath.
Sir, yes, sir.
Chow chow bath.
Chow bath. Mixed with chow bath.
Chow bath.
Sir, bichi bele bath.
ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಮುರಳಿ ಸರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಸಿದಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು. I think your stomach filled now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, these are the breakfast we can get in Karnataka. No need to write any question, just for your general knowledge sake.
Traditional.
Yes, this is a traditional food.
Sir.
Sir, in hotel they give you, sir.
Yes.
Rice. Anna sambar.
Bowl of kuranda.
Traditional fare like chitrana,
Sir, palav.
puliyogre, palav, like that. Yes.
Wangi bath.
We will use the chili powder.
Yes, sir.
Tamarind. That is also we will use. Especially in village side, chitrana, puliyogre is very more common.
Lemon rice also.
Lemon rice is very common in village and even in cities. In Bangalore, pongal, yes.
Kara pongal, sweet pongal.
Kara pongal and sweet pongal, yes.
Sir, and ragi ball.
Yes, ragi. What is the uses of ragi? Can anyone tell me what is the uses of from ragi?
Ragi,
Sir, we can do in that dosa.
Ragi
dosa,
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 ragi ball.
Ragi ball.
Ragi ball.
Sir, ragi halwa.
Ragi ball.
Sir, ragi ball.
Roti.
ball.
Ragi
Ragi
roti
roti.
also.
Ragi roti,
Sir,
ragi dosa.
Yes, very good. This is a style of dress
Yes, sir. Drop.
in Coorg. They will wear Coorg.
Sir, why they will wear like this type of
It is a
saree?
traditional, their custom and tradition. Coorg will be the custom and tradition, their custom. This is also one of the way to wear the sari.
Yes, sir.
Casual wear,
That's
normally jeans pant, t-shirt
jeans
like that.
pant, t-shirt.
Yes,
Sir, pancha.
yes, dhoti. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Casual wear.
panche means dhoti.
Sir, you last shown sir photo that the traditional side in Madkeri.
Yes, yes, it is in Madkeri itself.
Yes, sir. Makeri they will wear.
Okay, I think you have understood today's concept, what I have explained, right? You have copied on the notes also.
Sir.
Any
Yes,
doubt
sir.
in this one? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Learn the questions which I have given. Today,
Okay,
how
sir.
many questions I have given? Today's question,
Six.
Sir, six.
six
Sir,
questions.
6 questions.
Okay, children. See you in next class. Jai Hind. God bless you all.
Bye,
Sir,
sir.
Thank you, sir.
still 5 minutes left, sir.
What is the time? 10:35 or 10:40?
Sir, 10:40.
10:35.
Oh, okay. Wait. Don't log out. I need Bhumika to read the 6 questions. Bhumika, today's question you read off.
Yes, sir. Two states we belongs to Karnataka. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. In which year Bangalore place is visited? 1889. Where is the Tipu Sultan at? Srirangapatna. Where is the statue of Gomateshwara? In Karnataka. Shravanabelagola. Ugra Narasimha statue is at Hampi.
Who will read the next? Raise your hands. Okay. Yashaswini followed by Tejas. Tejas followed by Manisha followed by Mohit. Tejas followed by Manisha followed by Mohit. Before that, Yashaswini, she will read. Okay, go ahead, Yashaswini.
Yes, sir. To which state we belongs to? Karnataka. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. In which year Bangalore Palace constructed? 1887. Where is the Tipu Palace? Tipu Palace is at Srirangapatna. Where is the Gomateshwara statue in Karnataka? Gomateshwara statue is at Shravanabelagola in Karnataka. Ugra Narasimha statue is at Hampi.
Good. Followed by
To which state we belong to? We belong to the state Karnataka, which is the Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. In which year Bangalore Palace constructed? 1887. Where is Tipu's palace? Srirangapatna. Where is Gomateshwara statue? Gomateshwara statue is in Belugola in Karnataka. Ugra Narasimha
Gommateshwara statue is at Madko. Gommateshwara statue is at Shravana in Bengaluru, in Karnataka.
Yes, sir.
Gommateshwara statue is at Shravana in Karnataka. At
Yes, sir.
Madkondo, Ali in Haku. Gommateshwara statue is at Shravana in Karnataka.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Change.
good.
Yes, sir. Ugra Narasimha statue is at Hampi.
Okay, good. Very good. Who is next? Followed by
Sir, me, Manisha.
Manisha. Start
Yes,
reading.
sir. To which state we belongs to? We belongs to Karnataka. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. In which year Bangalore Palace constructed? 1887. Where is the Tippu Palace? Tippu Palace is at Srirangapatna. Where is the statue of Gommateshwara in Karnataka? The statue of Gommateshwara is at Shravana in Karnataka. Ugra Narasimha statue is at Hampi.
Yes, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Any next followed by, is there any other student followed by? Who is the next?
Mohit.
Mohit, start man.
To which state we belongs to? We belongs to Karnataka. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. In which year Bangalore Palace constructed? Bangalore Palace constructed in 1887. Where is the Tipu's Palace? Tipu Palace is at Srirangapatna. Where is the Gomateshwara statue in Karnataka? The statue of Gomateshwara is in Shravana in Karnataka. Ugra Narasimha statue is at Hampi.
Okay. Okay, I hope all of you have copied down today's question. Totally, how many questions completed from day 1 till now?
Sir, 43 questions.
43.
43. 43 or 45? 43 or 45 children?
43.
Sir, 43.
Okay.
43.
43. Okay, okay, okay. Read that question thoroughly, okay? For the bridge course, you have to read that question
sir.
thoroughly. For the bridge course test, you have the test on 5th, 6th, 7th of July. Bridge course test for 25 marks.
Yes, sir.
Bridge course test for 25 marks, all subjects from July 5th, 6th, 7th. 1 day, 2 test. 5th to 6th to 7th 2 subjects. So read the question thoroughly, which have your teachers given. Okay. See you in next class. Jai Hind. God bless you all. Bye.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Kusalda.
Anusha or what? Bhumika. Who is that? Amruta?
Sir,
Who is that? Arshita?
yes, sir.
Who called me? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. What is history? You dictated only question, but answer which one, sir?
History is the study of past event. History is the study of past event. What is history? History is the study of past event. History is the study of past event. What is history? History is the study of past event. Okay, Arshita?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Jai Hind. Bye.
The time table